Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code NP-34958-9 on PS4. Method 1. Use DNS or another DNS. Open the Settings menu on the PS4. Select Network. Go to Set up Internet Connection, then select the Wi-Fi or LAN cable option depending on how you connect. Here, I'm using the Wi-Fi Connect. Next, select the Custom option. Select a Wi-Fi network to utilize if required, and enter the password for it. Choose the automatic option for IP address settings. Select the Do Not Specify DHCP setting. Choose the manual DNS setting. Here, I will try with Google DNS. Type 8.8.8.8 as the primary DNS. Type 8.8.4.4 for the secondary DNS. Select the Next. Select Automatic. Select Do Not Use options to finish. Method 2. Change your MTU setting. Go to Settings menu. Select Network. Select Set up Internet Connection and the Use Wi-Fi option. Select to configure your network connection with the custom option. Next, select the required Wi-Fi connection to utilize. Select the automatic IP address option. Choose Do Not Specify for the DHCP. Select Automatic for DNS settings or select Manual as Method 1. Next, select the Manual MTU option. Input 1473 as the MTU number and select Next to continue. Finally, select the Do Not Use Proxy Server option. Method 3. Restore License. Just go to Settings. Select Account Management. Select Restore License. Restoring your licenses may take several seconds to minutes, depending on the number of licenses you have in your internet connection. Method 4. Activate or reactivate console as primary. First, you need make sure just one account's on your PS4. Go to Settings. Select Login Settings. Select User Management. Select Delete User. Now, if there are more than one account, then delete all them and leave only the main account that you are using. Next, go back to Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, go ahead and access the Account Management menu. Once you're inside the Account Management menu, access the Activate as your primary PS4 menu, then choose Activate at the confirmation prompt to initiate the procedure. In case your console is already set up as your primary PS4, deactivate it, then restart your PS4 and return to this menu to activate it once again. After this operation is complete, Restart your PS4 and see if the problem is resolved once the next startup is complete. Method 5. Sign out and sign in back. From the main dashboard of your PS4 console, access the Setting menu. Once you're inside the Settings menu, access the Account Management. Next, select Sign Out. After you confirm the operation, sign back in at the login screen that just appeared and see if the problem is now fixed. Method 6. Clear System Cache. To do that, you need to turn off the PS4. After that, unplug the power cable from the power source and disconnect any peripheral attached to your console, such as a controller, headset, hard drive, etc. Wait for about 5 minutes before connecting it again to power and restart the console. Finally, try using another network, such as mobile data, neighbor's Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi, and etc. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.